This desk with an electric height adjustment allows you to work both sitting and standing. It holds 80 kilograms and costs $95. This shoe rack from Flexi Mounds holds 18 pairs of shoes on its 9 tiers. It will help you deal with chaos in your hallway and costs $96. This folding sofa mattress is filled with memory foam and provides comfort comparable to luxury hotels. It costs $114. If you need more shelves in your closet, try this adjustable tension shelf. It can hold up to 10 kilograms and costs $25. Solubai is a compact kitchen island with an expandable countertop. It has 11 compartments for convenient dish storage. It costs $270. Hanging vacuum storage bags are a great way to save closet space. They are compatible with standard household vacuum cleaners and sell for $32 for a set of 6. This bed frame with a lifting mechanism turns the sleeping area into a practical storage system. It's ideal for a small apartment and costs $260. These storage containers slide easily under the bed. A set of 4 costs $19. With this organizer, it's easy to create a dream workshop, even in a small space. It has slots for 8 drills and many other tools. It assembles in minutes. It costs $70. This collapsible step stool folds into a drawer just 4 centimeters wide. It allows you to use the top shelves of your cabinets to their full potential. This set of 4 lid holders helps organize lids and pots that are always in the way. They attach perfectly to cabinet doors and cost just $14. The Levo G2 is a small table suitable for laptops weighing up to 2.2 kilograms. It's also great for drawing or other creative activities. It costs $240. The shelf from Barotech Industries attaches to an outlet and holds 4.5 kilograms. It's perfect for small apartments and costs $15. These organizers help you use the space under your bed for storage. They are perfect if you don't have room for a nightstand and cost $10. The simple Tom 1 tier holder is easy to install and allows you to tear off a paper towel with one hand. It costs $25. The Plateful Warming Mat keeps food warm with a temperature range of 40 degrees to 120 degrees Celsius. It also has a flexible timer. The price is $100. This chopper makes cooking more pleasant. It can handle nuts and ice and is operated with one hand. It costs $51. This organizer's main feature is its movable side panels, which allow you to adjust its width from 33 to 57 centimeters. The price is $24. The EcoStar Sapphire Kettle is a good choice for travel. It's collapsible and features an auto shutoff and an auto heating function that turns on when the water temperature drops below 78 degrees. It costs $26. With 6 interchangeable blades, this kitchen tool from Fullstar works as both a vegetable chopper and a cheese grater without needing electricity. The price is $27. This unusual cheese knife can slice cheese into different thicknesses, from super thin to 6 millimeters. It's even suitable for soft mozzarella. It costs $17. The Ninja Swirl can make sorbet, ice cream, or frozen yogurt. The machine costs $349. This manual juicer is a professional model that extracts maximum juice from oranges, apples, pomegranates, and pineapples with minimal effort. It costs $387. The Presto Stuffler waffle maker for $50 makes Belgian waffles. It lets you combine batter with different fillings and divides the waffles into 4 pieces. The 2-in-1 Portentum dispenser can pour and spray oil and vinegar. It holds half a liter and costs $10. The two-tier pull-out Reva shelf organizer helps you perfectly organize your kitchen cabinets. It features a gas lift system and costs $624. The Fridge View is a refrigerator organizer that rotates 360 degrees. It costs $15. The Tofu Guide Tofu Press, with its automatic IntelliSpring system, makes tofu firmer and easier to slice. It costs $28. The Prep Deck Gen 2 station lets you neatly organize ingredients. It includes 14 containers, a cutting board, a tablet stand, and other accessories. The price is $341. A Murphy bed can also be bought ready-made. A double model holds 700 kilograms, can be set up in 90 minutes, and disguises itself as a cabinet. It costs $825. The compact, collapsible Regalo My Crib Bassinet holds up to 8 kilograms and is perfect for tight bedrooms and travel. It costs $80. Fix presents a compact electric cleaning brush. It has 4 interchangeable heads that clean everything from windowsills to sinks. It costs $25. This table hangs from balcony railings, rectangular or round, up to 15 centimeters wide. It costs $153. This compact walking pad fits under a sofa. It has shock absorption, goes up to 6.4 kilometers per hour, and runs very quietly. It costs $118. The Mesoper organizer turns a door into a pantry, even in the smallest room. It has 9 shelves that can hold up to 111 kilograms. It costs $60. The Levo G2 is a small table suitable for laptops weighing up to 2.2 kilograms. It's also great for drawing or other creative activities. It costs $240. The shelf from Barotech Industries attaches to an outlet and holds 4.5 kilograms. It's perfect for small apartments and costs $15. These organizers help you use the space under your bed for storage. They are perfect if you don't have room for a nightstand and cost $10. The simple Tom 1 tier holder is easy to install and allows you to tear off a paper towel with one hand. It costs $25. This collapsible bamboo desk is very strong and holds up to 68 kilograms. It's compact and costs $135. This holder helps organize brooms and mops. It holds up to 14 kilograms with hardware and up to 4 kilograms with adhesive tape. It costs $17. This grinder can successfully grind not only coffee, but also nuts, fruits, and sauces. You can buy it for $46. The Enovia touchless paper towel dispenser is compatible with most standard rolls and costs $95. This $33 slicer cuts a watermelon or melon into 12 even slices. A roll of 500 dissolvable labels costs $10. They disappear in 30 seconds in water, but are also microwave safe and withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +176 degrees Celsius. This dish drainer can hold up to 30 kilograms and drains excess water directly into the sink. The price is $30. This set of 2 salt and pepper grinders costs $12. They are battery-powered and activate when you flip them over.